Dear educators, post-COVID, the education process and understanding things have become a little different. Now, to adjust back to the regular curriculum, in chemistry, you can also understand how the experiments go on using a simulator. How it is done? Very simple. Go on your chemistry on OLabs. Just click on evaporation, for example, one of the experiments that I'm going to talk about today, right? Now the simulation is so sorted, it will literally tell you the steps as to what things are to be done. Just click on your simulator. Now as soon as that is done, maximize this, right? Step 1, pour the water into. Done. Step 2, put this petri dish onto your gauge. Step 3, switch on your Bunsen burner. Now, as the experiment goes on, you will see that the water is getting evaporated and the salt is getting concentrated. Now, a lot of people might not have a privilege, to see those things on a day-to-day basis, but using the OLabs application, you can definitely do that. Hope with this, you will be able to see how liquid to gas transformation, leaving solid behind, is the process of evaporation. Thank you so much.